Hello guys, thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you all are well. Today I will discuss with you the momentum based system. It is dedicated to short-term traders. It's not for scalper. By using this strategy you can swing trade in time frame like M5. You can trade in M5, M15, M30, H1 and H4. It might seem quite advanced at the beginning, but as you keep on practicing with this system, you will get used to it and you will feel easy. Basically, the important thing is you need to try the system. You try to understand the system, how you can judge and how you can trade. I can show you the history of today trading. You can see here. Today I have traded with this indicator and I have earned $52. So basically today I will teach you about this indicator and I will tell you how you can predict the trade, what is the entry point with this indicator. This forex strategy consists of 10 technical indicators, but you don't have to focus in all those indicators to trade profitably using this system. When the indicators are correctly installed in your trading system, your chart should like this. In this trading system, you will see chart as well. The bullish bars are representing by the purple color. You can see here, and the bearish candles are represented by red color. You should look to buy only when the market is above the chart. Here you can see the Bollinger Band stop also. Bollinger Band stop is one of the major indicators of the system. You should buy only when the market is above the Bollinger Band stop. I can show you like this with zoom. This indicator, you can see RSI also shown. There are several ways to use RSI indicator. You should buy when the RSI is above 50. Above 50. Now you can see above 50. And you should sell when the RSI is below the level of 50. If this lane will be there, you can sell. But if the lane is above 50, it means this signal is buy. One other thing in this indicator, you can see MACD. MACD indicator consists of two MACD indicator consists of two histogram. Forget the two oscillators and just focus on the histogram. When the histogram is positive, this one, you should look for the buy signal, and when the histogram is negative 20, you should look for the sell signal. I will tell you one more thing. What is the buying condition using this strategy? Market should be above the Heikin Ashi. Bollinger Band stops should appear below the market. The relevant strength index indicator should be above the level of 50. I am telling you about the buying. Yellow oscillator of the stochastic should be above the dotted white oscillator. This one. Place your long position as soon as above conditions are met. Place your stop loss just below the recent swing now. Okay, I think you are understanding this system. This indicator and strategy is very easy to installation. If you want to install, just copy the files of the indicators and paste in the indicators list, and the template file you need to put in template. So thank you very much for watching my video. If you want more information, you can contact with me. I have given my WhatsApp number below In the description, I have given my WhatsApp number. You can contact with me for more information. And if you need this indicator, I can give you when you will contact in my WhatsApp. You can see the history, the results of this indicator. You can see I have used this indicator and I have earned one day $52. But now further I am testing this strategy for more better results. So thank you very much for watching my video.